Hello everybody, this tutorial is dedicated to the assembling and the using of the surgical contact handpiece with the surgical laser fiber. The handpiece is made of three different components: the tips, the surgical tips, the curved and the straight one, the fiber holder with the lure lock universal system, and the handpiece. To use it properly with the surgical fiber, you have to insert first the fiber in the handpiece and then pass the fiber through the fiber holder in this way. After that, you close the system without tightening to the maximum, just keeping the right distance between the tip of the fiber outside and the tip of the terminal, this way. After choosing the right distance of the fiber, of the tip of the fiber and the tip, the metal tip of the handpiece, you have to tight a little bit here the handpiece, checking that is fixed.